What's up, my beautiful Fizz fam loyals? What's good, guys? Your girl is back on your screen. Can you see me? Can you see me now? How about now? Cool, that's what's up, guys. Hope you guys are doing good, feeling good. Get your calm down moment and breathing. Staying true and staying prayed up, guys, okay? Alright, so your girl is back with another delicious dinner Alright, so I'm about to let you guys see what I have on deck, okay? Up front, close, and personal. Check it. Alright, guys, what you see on your screen is some delicious sweet corn on the cob, guys, as well as some shrimp and avocado sushi rolls. Super delicious. And I have some Redskin potatoes seasoned well, guys. And everything is super delicious. And also, I have my soy sauce on the side. Alright, now that you guys see what your girl is working with, okay, I'm about to say my prayer and dive right in. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body, and I pray for the less fortunate. Amen. Amen. All right, guys, so you guys know what I always have on deck with me, and that is my H2O. Y'all hit that hydration station, okay? Get your water on. We're going to do this here water challenge thing, okay? It's not going to be a challenge. It's going to just be drinking your water, okay? We're just trying to get it started, right? So y'all go and jump on that hydration station if you haven't already, all right? And also I got with me, I've been drinking a little water. I got, my lime pepino. Where is lime, cucumber, lemon pepino? Okay, so y'all see that right there? Okay. Gotta have a little something else sometimes, right? Alright. Alright, guys, so your girl got her choppy stickies. So let me go ahead and get started here. I meant to have my fork for the potatoes, but I'll be able to handle it. Trust and believe that. Once again, I got my honey garlic sauce. Y'all know I can't get enough of this. It's super spicy. I keep my honey garlic sauce on deck as well. Okay. Here I go. Let's start off with potato. Learn how to work these things. And then I just get tired of doing that, with the potatoes. Hey. Okay, guys, I just dropped a delicious quickie snack bomb plus story time. These potatoes are so super good. Mmm. 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 Woo.
Let me let y'all have some. I think I can do this. Uh-oh. Oh, it's breaking. Hold on. Oh, sorry about that. That's some more dang old mosquitoes I got in the house. Lord Jesus, I am not able. I no messing with this. Them damn mosquitoes are summertime, boy. They gets in. Hell, you know what? I'm gonna have to just give you guys a piece with my hand. Here y'all go. Open up. Oh shit, y'all like took my fingers. Y'all ate the whole dang on thing. Oh, it's like that sushi, huh? Yeah, I feel you though. I don't blame y'all. I would have did the same thing. Oh, this corn smoking hot. Look at that. You can see the smoke coming off of it. Y'all see that smoke? Smoking. Woo. Roll it around a little bit in that sauce. Get a little sauce on there. It's hot. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, it's hot. Make a mess. It's hot. Oh. Just in case. Just in case. Woo. Try to get ahead of that. So hot. Woo. I have the squint car. The juice squirt right in your eye. Okay. Bit my lip. Oh, be too hungry. Bite my lip and everything. Woo. God. Woo. Woo. Oh. Oh. Ain't no sense putting them down. Like I like a little spicy. Can't get enough of it, even though it burns. But I like it. I like it. I like it. God, this is one of my favorite meals. Oh, oh. I couldn't wait to eat this. You guys hear about the Amber Alert that went off? Amber Alert, emergency broadcast thing. Well, I don't know, it was such a trip because they were saying, I was looking at the news and they were saying people was panicking about it. And I didn't hear it. I don't know where it went off at. Maybe it went off while I was asleep or something. I don't know if it was here in Georgia. I don't know where it was. But it turned out that some people were panicking, and one guy said he woke up his wife and said he was scared because he thought it was some type of a, what did he say? Chemical release or, I don't know, radiation, something. It's so hard for me to eat this corn because my tongue burning. And it's still hot. So, turned out it was false. But they said it was just going off. It didn't show any kind of test or anything like that, so they didn't know what to think. It was just going off. So that was super scary. And they didn't know what to think. Juice is squirting everywhere. I'm going through it. My tongue. It's like once that sauce hit your tongue, it stay burning. When something else touch it, don't help. Especially if it's hot. Ugh. I think that's done. Got through that. It was a struggle. But I got through it. I made it through that corn. Oh, guys, I'm a mess right now. Woo. Yeah, so that had to be super scary. I know if I would have heard it and didn't see no test, I would have been concerned too. Like, what's really going on? And why didn't they have it to say something about a test? Like, what was the problem? You can't be doing that type of stuff. Stuff going on for real these days. It was a test, all right. They're trying us, guys. They're trying us. Yeah, so that was pretty strange. Comment if you guys know about that or whatever, or what you think, your thoughts on it. Mm. Nose is running and everything. This video will probably be a little longer, this mukbang, cause got more stuff. Whew. Corn juice. I want to be able to bite into that corn without all the tongue burning. Need a little bit more water. I can feel it. I'm trying to swish the water around on my tongue. It don't seem like it's going to help, cause right here, it's still burning. Oh, excuse me. There's no way to eat no corn. I guess I'll say she didn't drop no sauce on it this time. I'm trying to wait a minute because I do want some sauce on it, but I can't right now. Can't eat my corn right. Woo! Your girl is struggling. Woo! Gosh, dropping stuff. Ooh. The only thing right here cooled it down. It feels good on my tongue. Ugh. There's one person, I did their challenge. I did the challenge they started, which was the Sprite and cereal challenge. And I knew how to say their name, but for some reason it seemed like when I got on camera, I was acting like it was so super difficult, but it really is not. When you look at it, it's Funko Pop Ohana. Ohana or Ohana. Funko Pop Ohana. Ohana. And I was tripping over there because I was like, so if you're watching Funko, the reason I'm saying it is I want you to know I could say it. I was saying it off camera. That's what you don't know. But anywho, my apologies to you. Guys, I am getting super full. Satisfied, really. Potatoes can be pretty filling. It's like I can eat these a little bit more. Just a little bit. Mmm. 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 Something hard. It's a crab. I mean shrimp. Shrimp skin. Mmm. Mmm. I am super satisfied. I am good to go. All right. This is what I have left. You know, some corn and 3 of these here sushis and a little bit of potatoes. I think I'll drink some of this. Ugh. Ugh. Excuse me. Ugh. All right. That is going to do it for this mukbang, guys. It was fun and delicious, super delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. Love you all. Thank you to all our old subscribers and, or should I say our day ones, and to all our new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining us. We have so much more great content to come and to drop. Okay, so let everybody know what's going on over here on the Health Biz Queens Vlogs channel. Share, like, comment, and all that good stuff, okay? So, it is a wrap, a snap, and a clap, guys, okay? Ugh, thank you, guys. Once again, I really appreciate you guys. Stay healthy, conscious, friendly, all that good stuff. Stay positive, you know, stay true. Stay believing in God and just keep the faith, guys. Let's just keep it going, keep pushing and doing what it takes for you to get, you know, to your dreams and your goals, destinations and whatnot, okay? What makes you happy, do that. Do what makes you happy, okay? All right, so guys, until next time you see your girl Queen, see me. Oh, you know what I do want to say? This was too good. Too good. I have to say this. It's too good. It was too good. 3 good. 4 good. Super good. All right. Until you see your girl Queen Simi on your screen next time, I am signing out, and I love you guys too. Pieces. Hi guys, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to